Hello YouTube, fellow viewers, subscribers and friends, how you doing? Today I'm gonna be doing a repair on my SG116 Max because when I hold the rear wheels on the floor, it does this sound. As I see movement in the front wheels, I'm guessing it's nothing to do with central drive shaft, not even the spare gear or the pinion, but I could be wrong. I'm betting on the rear differential, but we'll find out real soon. But before I get into that, I want to thank you, all my subscribers, my 300 subscribers, for support me and to help me in this endeavor of making a viable YouTube channel. Alright? I have put in the work and the fun in making the videos, but without you, this wouldn't have the same meaning for sure, and it wouldn't have a point. So, because of you, I've been getting some collaborations. So, thank you once again. And for all of you, my viewers that have not subscribed, please do so. You will help me and my channel. And I always try to help you. So, that's not much to ask. It's just press that subscribe button. Maybe consider the notification bell so you get notified when I put out content. And that's it. I really wanted to thank you all. I couldn't miss that. Alright? Let's go into the video. So, I'm gonna investigate what the problem might be. I already bought the parts. I had to repair this quite a while now, but as I have other RC cars, I keep using the other ones, and I didn't order the parts. Now the parts arrived. I ordered a bag, a kit with 2 differentials, 1 spare gear, 1 pinion gear, and 2 of these pinion gears for the differentials. This is the pinion gear for the motor, and this is the spare gear. This is 42 spare gear stock. So let's remove the battery. This is my do-it-yourself battery tray. I have a video on that. I'll put the video in the description. I'll try to put it on a card in the screen, but I don't know why. Lots of time that doesn't work. Yeah, do you see this? Never a battery fell from this car. And these 2 braces. So, to get to the rear differential, we'll be removing this top center brace, aluminium. You have 1 screw in here and other there. First you remove the brace, then these 2 screws, and then you'll have to come to the back and remove the rear wing. I believe, if I'm not wrong, because I don't take this apart some time ago, this will come in 1 piece, but we'll find out real soon. I don't remember. But yeah, it's basically that. The rear wing, the center brace. I'm gonna do it and show you. So the easiest way to remove this is you remove this screw here in the middle, in the wing, and then you put your screwdriver in an angle so you can reach the two screws that are on the back of this piece that attaches. Those two screws attach to the top cover for the differential. Alright? After you remove that, you remove the two screws for the shocks on the arms, on the lower arms, and after that this will come out with one piece. You remove this, the pins will stay in place because they are screwed in. You don't need to remove them. Alright, after that you'll have to remove this 2-1 here and just push this back and this piece will come out. And now we'll see where the problem lies. It's too grinded. Yeah, so the problem is gonna be in the sun gear of the differential, but mainly in the central drive shaft pinion, because it's all busted. So I'm gonna need one of these and one of these. This is the two parts that are broken, so my estimate was right. The diff is ruined. Now I have to push the motor so I can remove the central drive shaft. Oops. Put the bearing like so. So remove it. This has a washer here. All right. I put 50,000 weight in it. It's good. I'm gonna set the motor. As we don't have no motor mount, doesn't change the position. You don't have to care about the mesh. It's always good. I'm gonna put just a little bit of grease, white lithium grease. It's more than enough. It will spread when it moves. Now, for the top piece, so now we put this cover. It's good. Shocks still have oil. So I'm not gonna mess with that. I think it's repaired. Let's find out. Before I put this, fingers crossed. Oh yeah, everything's good. The beast is back. All right. It's good. All right. If you like the video, if it helped in any way, please hit that like button. It doesn't cost you nothing. It's just a second. Please do it. I do the effort to put out these videos to help you. So the only oh, sorry about my hands. I'm gonna wash them real soon. So as I was saying, thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and that like button. That's what makes these things move. The YouTube algorithm, the YouTube machine. Alright? So please do that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.